So we're heading to the hospital now. The rain has stopped finally. This is about.
That's not the rain. It stopped.
The rain has stopped?
No.
It has not stopped.
No.
Is the rain still touching you?
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
I know that is touching me.
Sorry, ma. So the hospital is just 2 minutes walk from our house, and there's a park just around the corner. So I'm taking them to the hospital. Hopefully we're able to see a doctor. I feel it's already late. If we don't see a doctor today, they might book us for an appointment another day. Ah, God, today has been a very, very wet day. Very wet indeed, since morning. So I'm now wondering if I want to walk today. Is this how it's going to be raining? Kelo, don't run on the road. Neso, hold Kelo's hand. Go, let Neso hold you. Oh yeah, go. We're not going far, okay? Kelo is already throwing tantrums. He's not seeing Neso, see squirrel. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yes, it's going up and up.
Yeah, you see it. You can climb it.
Yes. So guys, when we get to the hospital, I will vlog from there. Come and sit. We came to register for GP. We collected a form earlier on to fill. Let me get it. Do I need the immunization card for my kids?
I'll have a look here.
Okay.
No. Sorry?
No going.
It's not going.
Yeah.
Where's is Joseph here?
No, Joseph is not here.
You have to put
So
your
you have
birthday
to
in,
register.
then
You'll have to
yeah,
come in
and
and
then
register
submit.
himself, my darling.
Okay. Okay. Let me just have his form. Maybe he'll come and check.
Check to make sure
I don't know
everything's
how, but you
Okay.
need to contact them, and they will book you in.
As we are back home, I was able to register myself, Neso and Kelo. They said Big Joe has to come and register himself. So we're meant to see a doctor. But they said, well, this boy is heavy, Jesus. But they said that we cannot see a doctor today. That we'll have to go and see a pharmacist first. Then when, what is their system is something else. So today, oh God, this boy is heavy. So since Big Joe is not around, he will go tomorrow for his own, then maybe take them to go and see a pharmacist before they go back to see a doctor. Oh man, I don't tire.
Do that.
Please delete it.
Eh?
Delete it.
What you say?
So you know why you're now. I've already gone halfway. So for braids that stay longer, for it not to cut your hair, see those white things on her hair is conditioner. See there now. So I'll just apply conditioner and allow it to detangle a bit before you start loosening it so it doesn't cut. So I remembered when I was filming a video of the foodstuff I brought while coming to the UK. I didn't film the hair stuffs I carried. So if you have not seen that video, please go and look at the video, the foodstuffs I brought while coming to the UK. So these are the hair accessories I brought for me and my daughter. You have seen those hair bands. Those are the colored food ones, and these are the black colored ones. Please buy them if you're coming because it's very expensive here. So that's the her hair bow. So this is just everything I brought. This African thread is very expensive here, so if you like using it for your children's hair, please bring it along. I brought about 30 maybe 40 pieces of it. So that's all that. This is my wigs, my braided wigs. I got about 3 of them, and these are my weave-ons. If you know you have sold weave-on to me, please just ignore this video. Just close your eyes as you're watching this video, because I didn't even keep this well. I have to revamp this before wearing it. So those are my wigs, and these are more thread. You see this stuff I'm holding in my hand, please don't bother bringing it. They sell it in Primark, 30 pieces for £2, and I brought a lot, so please don't bother bringing that. So this is my daughter's ponytail braids. This is for ponytail. When I use this for her, I'm going to put a picture. This is another of my wig, and this is a comb. Don't bother bringing this comb, there are better ones here. This is braids, expression and lush and all whatnot. I brought about 15. This is my makeup brushes and Igbo stuff. Also bring this stuff if you know you like using it in your braid. That's wig cap. You can, if you don't want to bring it, leave it. This is beads. There's also a lightly colored one, that white one by the side. Please bring beads, different colors of bead. Please bring, because beads are very expensive here. Bring beads. I'm saying it again. If you like beading your children's hair, bring beads. Even this cowrie is very expensive. Please bring it while coming. So that's all about that. This is my daughter's hair. This is the one I've done the first time I'm trying hair, so please don't abuse me. This is my DIY. I'm going to go on YouTube to learn more hairstyles, because after pricing children's hair, and I started thinking of how much I am going to pay out of my pocket to make my daughter's hair, I started doing the hair by myself, and this is what I was able to come out with. Please help your girl in the comment section. So after that, I went to Primark to go and do some Christmas shopping. It's a beautiful Christmas socks, beautiful Christmas PJ. This used to be my son's favorite cartoon last year, so I don't know the cartoon they're going to bring out this year for Christmas. This aspect of Primark was just sweetening me in my body. It was doing me totori. I loved this shoe. So I just came here to pick out some things we're going to use to snap Christmas pictures. You know, we've not bought Christmas tree, we're already buying things for Christmas pictures. If you know you are part of those that did not allow us to see Ruth snapping under the Christmas tree last Christmas, we are coming to do a revenge this Christmas, and I never still snap that picture. So this is just Primark Christmas section. They have Christmas gifts. They have everything you need for Christmas. Christmas socks, Christmas cap, things for decorating Christmas tree. It's very cheap here. So if you want it and you're in Nigeria and you know you have somebody coming back, please tell them to go to Primark and get this for you. The pyjama section is just lit. This one is the best out of everything. For the children, for the adults, this is the best design to me. This is for the kids from 12 months and below. They have this one. This one is the one that I like. This also is also very pretty. That green one is just too green for me, but you see this and that other red one is just my absolute fave. So I went round the store and checked for all they had. Then this section, this one is their reduced section. You see in this part all the things they were selling during the summer for £20. They came to this part and started reducing all the price. This is one way you can save money in the UK. If you want to buy things that are in the season, just wait until they are off season and you start seeing them selling for more than half the price. This jean was £6 before, now it's £4.50. You will see tops for £3, you know, different amazing stuff. These tops now are going for £3 each. I remember when this tops was retailing for £6, and now they are all £3. It's no matter the size you are. Guys, I just came back from Amazon. Let's go and open it together. Oh God. This Amazon with their big boxes. When you open it, you just see one small thing inside. someone is moving very soon. It's not to save all these boxes. Oh, it's big. Oh. I was even thinking like it's a small. Oh wow. Yes. Wow. I wasn't expecting this, seriously. Well, they even give me a charger. Oh, this is strong. You won't believe how much.
£10.
No, how about?
£30.
No, Risha. About. No, I think about £20. Oh, this is solid. This is way better than the last one I bought in Nigeria. No, I wasn't expecting this. This is strong. Sorry, Kilo.
I wanted to say
Sorry.
it before.
Sorry. This is strong. It's strong.
I don't care in Nigeria. It will still just be on top of that place. You're going to twist it. You know, it's had to fall in.
Yeah, then twist it.
Right. Is it that those ones are made in Nigeria? No. They're still made by the same people.
No, you know this thing that you have to go to China and tell them what to do, and these UK people.
Watch your mouth.
And these UK people, they don't collect anyhow products. They have to, their product has to pass through plenty. Let the color. Wow. See, this is solid. Hell, I now have ring lights. Prepare to be sick of me. And it comes with this. I think this is the remote control, and it even has an extra head. Hey, this is a very good buy. A very good buy. I'm speechless actually. Speechless. And they also gave me a thank you card.
Scan it from here.
Is that the beginning of your lecture? You scan the
That's
code?
how it does. Open and just take attention. Lady attendance.
Attendance.
And then
Okay.
watch.
Okay. So now you can even go.
No, I've not learned anything.
No, I mean like for those that want to go. So this comes with 8 months warranty, priority support, 60 days free return, and VIP exclusive discount. So this is the name of the company in case you want to buy. So if you want to start a YouTube channel or you need this for your TikTok, I'm really recommending this. They did not pay me for this advert or but this is something I am using now, and I really recommend this. No matter how tall you are, this ring light is just for you. Guys, so we've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, give me a very big thumbs up, and turn on your post notifications so that if I post a new video, you will be the first to get notified. Thank you guys for all the support. Thank you guys for the love. I see the numbers growing. We are almost at 5K subscribers. Thank you guys. I'm so excited.